Hello, willowdavis. How's it going? If you've been here a while, if you know me in the channel, you know I love Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. It's a fantastic sodie, great beverage. It's even top tier in a diet sodie tier list that I made on my second channel. You should go check it out. Though it has a crisp and refreshing taste, I sometimes wonder, what if it had more? What if it was also satisfying? The inspiration came to me yesterday while I was thickening up a sauce for some tofu involving some cornstarch, some soy sauce, a couple of spices, some water, oil. To make a thickened sauce, use the cornstarch. Isn't that right? And it doesn't really add much flavor to it or anything. It just as it heats up, it just kind of thickens up the sauce in a weird way. I believe cornstarch and water is also what people use to make that, like, I forget what they call it. It's like a non-newtonian fluid or whatever. You know, that like goop that when you punch it, it's like a solid, but then, I don't know, it's like quicksand. So anyway, the goal is Thicc Coke. Can we pull it off? Let's find out. Here's what I'm going to be using. We have, of course, a can of Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, which I believe they're changing the look of this pretty soon. I don't know who told me, but it's going to be like a red can with black writing on it, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So we're going to need that, of course. And I'm going to use this little pot, I don't know, what is this, a saucepan, could fit like a can of soup in it. And the thickening agent. Need some cornstarch. I probably have enough left. I got this to make some crispy tofu. You know, you kind of like bread it in the cornstarch and then fry it. Yeah, that'll probably be enough. I don't know how much to put in. I'm just going to keep doing it till it looks right. Let me go ahead and get this doing something. I'll take a second and we can go ahead and crack this open. So I am just about positive this is going to lose the carbonation going through this process, but it's okay, because what we lose from the bubbles we will gain in chunky thickness for our Coke here. Maybe it'll make a nice dessert or something. God, it's difficult to not take a sip right now of this thirst-quenching beverage, but this is for science. You know, I'll just go ahead and get this in here now. I'm assuming it'll probably reduce a little bit. I don't expect this thing to get like completely boiling or anything to the point that we're losing a lot of like water out of it. But we'll see if I have to like add more water in, or maybe it'll be good, a little more concentrated. You know, especially because it'll probably gain a little volume from the cornstarch in a way. So I don't know. So it's sizzling in there right now. I guess the air bubbles just frantically escaping it as it heats up. And this was an ice cold Coke, by the way, right out of the fridge. Look, we're stocked. It could have been any of you, but my favorite was the one that was chosen. Okay, I feel like I'm feeling some slight warmth coming off this, so I wonder if it is time to get some of this in there. Hopefully this doesn't fizz up. I didn't really think about that. Putting the cornstarch in. Okay, let's see where we're at with that. Might need to add more. And so what usually happens when I'm adding cornstarch to something to thicken it is it kind of like dissolves in over time, and like the whole thing becomes like opaque for a little bit, and then as it heats up more, it just becomes a little more translucent, and then it doesn't, I think you should take it off before it starts feeling too thick, because then as it cools down, that's when it really starts getting chunky. So let's see. It's having a tough time dissolving in, it looks like, but it definitely appears to be thickening up. I hope I didn't add too much. This might just turn into a gel, really. Okay, it's really starting to bubble now. I'm gonna reduce the heat down. I put it to a 3 for now. Then still got like some chunks of the cornstarch in there. I didn't do a very good job like stirring it in. I don't know. Let's just keep seeing how it goes. I'm gonna add some water to it. It's reducing quickly. All right, everybody. It's thickened to, I don't know, like a maple syrupy almost consistency, but it is still very hot right now. I got most of the chunks of undissolved cornstarch out. Hey, I don't know if that would make like a good snack for anyone or what, but there you go. So yeah, just still a couple of chunks of things in there. I guess I'll just kind of wait for this to cool down. Oh, we got a little, it's peeling on the sides there. Interesting. Okay, let this cool down, thicken up a little bit more. Do I dare I could use something, I don't know what. Alright, well I now have it just chilling, waiting for it to solidify up, but hey, in the meantime, I'm gonna try these little nuggets that I got out of it. Honestly, not that bad. Alright, so it's been hanging out a little bit, chilling. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty thirsty. Wow. Look at that. Here we go. It's thick. Maybe make a good sauce or something. Put it on an ice cream. No, not really. It's not good. It's not good. There's something about it. I don't know what happened to it. Hold on. Doesn't taste that good. I don't know why. Feels very dusty. Not texture wise, taste wise. Hold on, I have an idea. Come on now, it's getting a little chunky in there. There we go. Cheers on the rocks. Nope. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more great vegan recipes. Willodavis out.